This winter, while everyone is panic buying vitamin C gummies, most people are completely missing a powerful immune-supporting nutrient combination hiding in plain sight: quercetin and zinc. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another health guru telling me to eat onions and pumpkin seeds. Groundbreaking stuff here. But here's what makes this different. Quercetin doesn't just support your immune system, it literally acts as a cellular key that unlocks the door so zinc can enter your cells, where it can help support normal cellular defense processes. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this works at the cellular level, which foods give you the most bang for your buck, and the complete routine backed by research. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome to OmniHealthy, your home for practical health solutions. If you find this kind of content helpful, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel and keeps these health tips coming your way. Before we dive in, always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or lifestyle. My goal here is to share research and natural health insights. You decide what fits your wellness journey. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk quercetin. You'll find it in red onions, capers, elderberries, apples with the skin on, and even green tea. It's a natural plant compound called a flavonoid, basically nature's multitasker. Research suggests quercetin plays a role in supporting immune function, and it's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But here's the catch, and this is important: your body only absorbs about 2 to 20% of the quercetin you consume. It's like inviting 100 people to a party, but only 20 show up. So timing and pairing matter big time, which we'll get to in a minute. Now, quercetin isn't some magic bullet, unlike that raw milk manifesto your gym buddy just sent you. But what makes it fascinating is how it works at the cellular level. Studies show it may help activate something called the JAK-STAT pathway. Stay with me here, I promise this won't turn into a biology lecture. Think of your immune system like a home security system. When a virus tries to break in, you need that alarm to go off fast, right? The JAK-STAT pathway is basically your internal alert system. When it gets activated, it signals your cells to produce interferons, proteins involved in your body's natural immune communication. They're like the security guards that show up when the alarm goes off. Research suggests that quercetin may help support this signaling pathway, helping immune messages move through the system more smoothly during times of immune stress. We're not talking about replacing any medical treatment, just supporting your body's normal processes. And here's where it gets really interesting. This is just part one of the story. Quercetin has another trick up its sleeve, one that becomes even more compelling when it's paired with zinc. Okay, here's where quercetin goes from interesting to absolutely fascinating. Quercetin acts as what's called a zinc ionophore. I know, sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? But it's actually pretty simple. An ionophore is just a compound that helps transport minerals across cell membranes. Here's the deal. Zinc is amazing at supporting healthy cellular function under immune stress. Studies show it can inhibit enzymes involved in normal cellular processes that researchers study in laboratory settings. But there's a problem. Zinc can't easily get inside your cells on its own. It's like having the world's best security guard stuck outside the building. This is where quercetin comes in. Research suggests quercetin opens channels in your cell membranes, essentially escorting zinc inside where it can do its job. Think of quercetin as the key that unlocks the door, and zinc as the security guard that stops intruders once inside. This is why taking them together may be more powerful than either one alone. We're talking synergy, people. Enjoying this video? Hit that like button. It's free, takes half a second, and helps more people discover these helpful tips. Also, share it with friends who need this. Don't forget to click more in the description for product links and study sources we mention. Alright, let's keep going. Let's get practical. Speaking of things that sound boring but are actually awesome, food sources. Because yes, I'm about to tell you kale is good for you. Shocking, I know. For quercetin, your best food sources are red onions. And I mean the deep red ones, not the wimpy pale ones. One medium red onion gives you about 20 to 30 milligrams of quercetin. Capers are actually the highest source. Just 2 tablespoons pack about 5 milligrams. Elderberries are fantastic, especially as a tea or syrup. 1 cup of elderberry tea may provide 10 to 15 milligrams. Other great sources include arugula, kale, cherry tomatoes, and apples with the skin on. A medium apple with skin gives you about 4 to 5 milligrams. Green tea is another winner. 1 cup brewed for 3 to 5 minutes provides roughly 2 to 3 milligrams. And here's a pro tip. Cooking onions doesn't destroy quercetin, so throw them in everything. Now, remember that bioavailability issue we talked about? Research suggests eating quercetin-rich foods with healthy fats may help absorption. So drizzle that olive oil on your salad with red onions, or enjoy your apple with some almond butter. Now let's talk zinc. The good news is, zinc is found in many delicious foods. And that matters because your body relies on zinc for hundreds of enzymatic reactions and to support normal immune function. Pumpkin seeds are your powerhouse. Just 1 ounce, about a quarter cup, gives you 2 to 3 milligrams of zinc. Oysters are the absolute king. 6 medium oysters pack a whopping 30 to 50 milligrams, though that's way more than you need daily. Beef is excellent. A 3-ounce serving of lean beef provides about 5 to 7 milligrams. For plant-based options, chickpeas are fantastic. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas gives you about 2.5 milligrams. Other solid sources include cashews. 1 ounce provides about 1.5 milligrams. Hemp seeds, lentils, and even dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate. 1 ounce of 70–85% dark chocolate contains about 1 milligram of zinc. You're welcome. The key here is variety. Mix it up throughout the week. And if you're plant-based, you might need slightly more zinc from foods because, well, plant-based zinc isn't absorbed quite as efficiently as animal sources. Alright, let's put this all together into an actionable routine. This is where the rubber meets the road. For quercetin from food sources, aim for about 200 to 500 milligrams daily. That could look like a salad with red onions and arugula, an apple with almond butter as a snack, and a cup of green tea. If you're using supplements, and remember, food first, supplements optional, research suggests 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily, split into 2 doses with meals for better absorption. Quercetin is fat-soluble, so taking it with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil can help your body absorb it. For zinc from food, aim for about 8 to 11 milligrams daily for women, and 11 to 15 milligrams for men. That's easily achievable with a handful of pumpkin seeds, some chickpeas in your lunch, and even a small piece of dark chocolate. Common supplemental dosages used in studies range from 15 to 30 milligrams daily, but don't exceed 40 milligrams, as higher amounts can interfere with copper absorption. Timing tip. Zinc can sometimes cause nausea if taken on an empty stomach, so it's best paired with a meal. Many people choose to focus on immune-supporting nutrition during seasonal changes, or increase intake at the first sign of feeling run down. Research suggests this combination may be most effective when used early. Want to take this up a notch? You might be asking, hey, what about vitamin C? What about vitamin D? Aren't they part of the team? Yes, they are. Think of it this way, if quercetin and zinc are the dynamic duo, then vitamin C, D, and elderberry are the rest of the Justice League. They're crucial, but if you throw them all into your stomach at once without a plan, you're basically turning your digestion into a chaotic chemistry experiment. I'm actually putting the finishing touches on a dedicated immune support routine video where I'll show you exactly how to layer all of these, vitamin D, C, elderberry, and our power duo here, into a full 24-hour routine. You do not want to miss that. However, there is one specific sidekick you can add to your routine right now: bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme found in pineapples, and it is the best friend quercetin ever had. Some research suggests bromelain may help quercetin work more effectively when paired together. So if you can, eat some fresh pineapple with your routine. It's the perfect wingman for our cellular security guards. Okay, let's talk safety, because we've all Googled our symptoms at 2 a.m. and convinced ourselves we have 47 different rare diseases. So let's keep things evidence-based. Quercetin and zinc are generally well tolerated, but there are a few important considerations. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, pregnant, nursing, or have any serious health concerns, check with your healthcare provider before using quercetin or zinc supplements. Quercetin may have mild effects on blood clotting, and zinc is great, but don't go overboard. Too much can upset your copper balance, as we mentioned in Chapter 6. This is about supporting your body's natural defenses safely. Now, if you want that complete immune support routine video, where we reveal exactly how to layer vitamin D, C, and elderberry on top of this foundation, you need to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell right now. I'm filming that one next. Until then, consider incorporating quercetin and zinc as part of your wellness routine. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, stay OmniHealthy.